Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. As I am, oh gosh, so many mosquitoes. As I am walking on this road, it's, oh, did I? It's so quiet here, and the road is relatively smooth. So I was thinking maybe I can use this opportunity to chat a little bit, some random singing. So these couple of days, I was in a low mood, unmotivated, nothing to do, and I think it lasts a couple of weeks, and the last 2 weeks was at its extremity. I'm starting to be interested in the time frame of my own emotional up and downs. So particularly this time, I want to pay attention, and I did pay a little bit of attention, and I found it awakening, and I found it very helpful, very resourceful for my future problem. Maybe I have thought about it in the past, but we do not have a good memory of our pain. Is that a natural thing? I did not have a very, very clear memory. Oh, the mosquito always stay with me. I do not have a clear memory of how long it has lasted and things. So I will take this time as something very refreshing, since it is fresh, and think about it. The whole going downtrend is about 3 months, and during these 3 months I have up and down, and the really hitting the bottom is around 2 weeks' time. Now I am getting over it. At least for now I am energized, and I am excited, and I feel motivated. I feel I have a lot of things to do. So maybe, and for sure, I will write it down. 3 months, 2 weeks, 3 months going down, 2 weeks hitting bottom. So if you see our life 60 years, this 3 months is only a short period of time. There are times we are up, there are times we are down. It fluctuates, and reach to a relatively your own central point or your own level. So that is one thing I can learn from this time's experience. Another thing, what has waken me up is listening to these motivational videos, and they are quite shocking. I think anything, you need to have it from time to time, and when you reach to a point, you will understand. If you do not understand and get overdose of it, that is dangerous. There are drug sellers, their business, their livelihood is selling drugs. And there are motivational talkers, and their livelihood is to pump people up. So it's different because it is their livelihood. We as consumer listening to those videos, we have a certain amount of demand. And then I think if we are in a reasonable mood, a normal status, we can understand enough is enough. That is enough. We can move on and switch to something more inspiring, useful, educational, or just more useful, right? Oh, there is a bridge. I've never seen that bridge. Looks so cool. Wow. So, now let's come back to these social medias. Our teachers does not like social media. Our parents our teachers do not like social media. Because if we listen and learn from social media, we will not learn from the teachers, and teachers cannot make a living out of teaching, right? And our parents do not like us to learn or rely on social media, because if we listen to social media, we will find that sometimes social media have good things smarter than our parents, and our bosses does not like us to spend time on social media, because if we spend time on social media, we will be less productive, right? And leaders, politicians do not want us to spend time on the social media, not from their side, right? Because our brain will be washed by the opposite opinion. But the truth is, mosquito, what are you doing? But the truth is that in anything, there are good things, there are bad things. There are some pretty good points about social media. We do learn things. I learn things. I learn to make origami. I learn to do painting. I learn mathematics. We can all learn from them. So use it the right way, use it wisely. There is another very bad part of social media, is that it's a very trendy thing. It makes people unable to think. And if you see the social media trends, some of the trends are unspeakably unintelligent. And D-U-M-B. There are some of these trends is just unthinkably not smart, not right. And people do it, and we do it, and we watch it. I have watched a video that wastes my time. I'm pretty sure there are other people have watched the video that totally no point, because there is an algorithm. For example, you watch 20 minutes or you watch however minutes, the longer you watch, they make more money. And they can add more advertisement inside. At the beginning, social media is a good thing. It is the same as anything, everything. Any good idea will be utilized for profit. Any good idea is subject to be distracted, to be destroyed. Nobody can help us. Only one person can help us, is ourselves. Anyway, so I think social media is kind of addicting, because it encourages creativity. It gives people who does not have resource, who does not have money, a chance, a channel, a door, a way to find something new. I am one of those miserable, helpless person that need social media to give me a new way, to open up a new door, to brighten up a part of my life. This is why I am kind of addicted to it. Anyway, just some random thoughts. There is no internet. I am not listening to anything. Just walk my walk and enjoy some autumn leaves. Imagine in a couple of weeks, a couple of months, this will be so beautiful, right? The fall festival or the fall break will be so beautiful. Oh, I look forward to it already. Okay, I must be walking too slow so that the mosquito is chasing me all the time. I do not remember that when I walk fast, I hear mosquito. Maybe I should walk fast. Ooh, what is that? It looks, oh, it's a branch. I thought it was a coyote or something. Look at it. Look at the bright sunshine, the golden sunshine. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Okay. I will go for my walk. Fast walk. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Bye bye. Now I come to an open place. See the golden sunshine, and this is opening, and this is beautiful. This is beautiful.